Dear students, today you have to discuss the defects of vision and their correction. What are the defects of vision? That you know that is the three defects of visions are there. One is the myopia, hypermetropia, and astigmatism. One by one, we have to discuss the defects of vision and how that defects can be corrected. And you know that abnormality of the eye is called the defects of the eye. What are the abnormality that the rays which will be passing through the eye lens that should be striking on the retina, otherwise it will be declared as the defect of eye. So in case of the myopia, the one by one we have to discuss the myopia. What is that myopia? Or that is told as the short-sightedness or myopia. Myopia is the defect due to which the eye is not able to see the distance object clearly. The eye is not able to see the distant object clearly, but can see the nearby object clearly. That person, the defective person, can see the nearby objects clearly, but the distant object cannot be seen. For an example to tell, suppose if you think for the distant object means infinite. If the object is at infinite, the person cannot see it. And if the object is moving towards the eye, suppose if it is moving towards the eye, and a particular point, the person can see the object, and from that particular point is called the far point. That is the farthest point, far point up to which the person can see, myopic person can see. That is the far point. From far point to towards infinite, the person cannot see it. From far point towards the eye, that person can see it. So particularly for normal eye, what happens in case of the normal eye? Normal eye, so this is the near point, the person can see it, and infinite, the rays which are coming from the infinite after refraction, it is striking on the retina. In that case, the person can see. At infinite, the farthest point is at infinite, the person can see, and the nearest point also the person can see in case of the normal eye. For in case of the myopic eye, what happens? In case of the myopic eye, the object is at infinite. Suppose the object is at infinite. So the ray which are coming parallel rays, after striking the lens, it is not striking on the retina. It is just focusing before the retina. It is just focusing before the retina. But in these cases, the person is not able to see the object. So our target is that focusing point. This F point should be striking on the retina. Should be striking on the retina. Our target that F should be striking on the retina. And to what we have to do it? Now we have to diverse the rays. We have to diverse the rays. We have to diverse the rays in such a way that the rays will be striking on the retina. So yeah, as you have to diverse the rays, so you have to use the diverging lens. We have to use the diverging lens. You have to use the diverging lens to correct this type of defects. So this is the diagram for that. Actually, what happens here? This is the infinite. From infinite, the person cannot see it, and from infinite to that far point, the person cannot see. From this point to that point, cannot see. So our target is that the far point, the object, the ray which are coming from the far point, that should be striking on the retina. That should be striking on the retina, and infinite also rays which are coming, that should be striking on the retina. And in this case, you have to use the that is the concave lens. So you have to use the concave lens to focus the retina, focus the ray of light on the retina to correct the defects. So in that case, whatever if for the defective or if the corrective lens, what should be the power of the corrective lens? What should be the focal length of the corrective lens? Let us calculate for the same. Suppose for corrective lens, U should be infinite, because we want to see the distant objects. Because we are not able to see the distant object, so we want to see the distant object. So U should be at infinite, that is minus infinite on the left side, and V should be, the image should be produced at the far point, that is the D. So whatever the images that should be striking on the D, because from D onward, From here onward, you can see the object. The v equal to minus d, and f is the question. What should be the focal length of the concave lens? So if you use the lens formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So this is equal to 1 upon minus d, because v is the minus d on the left side of that one, minus d minus 1 upon u is the minus infinite, and you are finding that is equal to minus 1 by d, or f equal to minus d. F equal to minus d. If you calculate, this is the f equal to minus this, the focal length is minus. As you are getting the focal length is minus, so no doubtly the lens is the concave lens. Concave lens is the corrective lens to correct the defects of myopia. And if you calculate the power, so power equal to 100 upon f, 100 upon f, that means minus d, minus of d, that is equal to minus 100 upon d. This is the power of the lens that must be used to correct the defect of this type of vision, that is the myopia. Thank you.